does genuinely work beautifully on an interface too. And running all of the retail ROM cartridges that were released in the early part of 1983. Well, in 1983 anyway. You've got all of the ROM images on. All the 16K ROM images on. Okay, play color setup. Play. Choose white or black. White. Select level. Noddy mode. I'm going to lose to a Z80 processor playing chess now. Okay. Queen on own. So green is white. Okay. AH18 or delete LRZX. Okay. Well, let's just try a simple. So 2E, E2 to E4. Okay, D2, D3 to. That was a mistake. That should have been D2. I'm out of practice. D2, D3. Really? You wanna you wanna do that? This point? Okay. E4, E5. That's, oh god. Just fucked up. Oh well. Let's back it up with the horsey. F2, F4. Yep, should have seen that coming. Well, I mean, that's protected and that's protected, so it's, and we have a classically kin. Don't let the Z80 trash you. I mean, not taking the prawn that quick in that spot was probably my a beautiful start of the day. I was like, oh, I'll just take the prawn that's there, and forgot to, you know, and made the wrong move. It's like, brilliant, go me. How invested in tonight's game am I? This is a very underdeveloped board. E2, well, G1, F3. Yeah, prawn. That's what they're called. They're prawns. F3. That's fine. Okay. Well, let's take B3. You insist. B1. A3. And that's a safe spot for that one for to move down. A3, A. I have not set anything up. Crap. Oh, that would be an awful exchange. Awful exchange. That wouldn't be so. That was going to... Go, Kian, go. Whichever way you look at that, that ends badly. We are not retreating. A3, E5. No, A3, B5. Let me guess. Look at that. Who'd have thunk it? Oh. Okay. C6. That's not my horsey. The green is not my horsey, Kian. You can't make that kind of safe play. Oh, but that's a safe play. C6, E5. It's not a safe play. I'm going to lose a horsey. I'm green. Oh my god. Why am I struggling to read a chessboard today? B5, D4. Yeah, I know. Really? Okay. F3. Let's actually get this right this time. D4. We got a horsey. I mean, I knew that was going anyway, but you know, I'll let that exchange go. Yeah. You're locked in. You don't have to be, but you're going to be in trouble if you... Well, I mean, it's a fair fight. C2, C4? B2, C3. I really don't want to play you there. However, A2, A4 is not bad. Choice. A4, A5. D1, D2. No, D1, C2. Shit! Shit's on a bike. Oh my god. A 1970s processor just absolutely screwed me over. I don't think I can live that one down. F1 E2. Whoops. Okay. What does delete do then? Okay. F1 E2. Fair. First time is retreated a piece. C1 A3. What was wrong with that? No. Yeah, C1. Oh, I'm in check. Crap. I'm gonna lose a bishop. C1 D2. Yeah, take your time. Take your time. Take your freaking time. You can't castle in check. Ooh, will it let you? Oh. I think I just resigned. Yep, I did. Didn't mean to. I resigned. 17 moves. I lost in 17 moves to a 1970s.